Oh wow. That's a good hook or?
Yeah.
Hi. So അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഫിഷിങ്ങിന് പോവാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ആൻഡ്രിയാസ് നമ്മളെ വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. Hello, good morning.
All good?
Yeah, all good.
You can put your things here.
Yeah, okay. I'll put. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
How are you today?
A little tired.
Yeah.
Early.
Yeah, me too.
Pike fever.
Yeah. So where are we going today?
We are going to, it's called Hulie Lake.
Okay.
It's like a very small lake.
Very small lake.
Shallow. Lot of pikes.
Okay.
We are catching, I think it's around 5 pikes each time or something like that. So
Okay, that's great.
I can almost promise you that we will get something today. Because now the weather is very good as well.
Yeah. Generally, I am not so lucky with fishing. Whenever I go with someone, there is no fish. But maybe today it will be different. I hope.
Yeah, almost can guarantee it.
Yeah. This is my regular route nowadays because my wife is working in Lagan.
Okay.
So
Yeah, exactly.
it's really good to see that. This road reminds me of my village, you know.
Okay. Yeah, this is really off-road.
Yeah.
It's like 50 kilograms or something like that. So
Okay.
I think we
Yeah,
manage.
we will manage.
Yeah. This boat is actually possible to have on the roof of the car, but I think it's easier to have it on the trailer. Okay, so now it's loose. It is quite heavy though, so. Yeah, but do you want to take it in that?
Yeah, I can take it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now it's just all the other things.
Okay.
So,
So are we taking all these things now?
yeah.
Okay.
And here's your life jacket.
Okay.
Safety first, you know.
Yeah. Oh, I think this is the engine or?
Yeah, I can take that.
Yeah, I think
That's the
that's better.
electric motor.
Yeah.
But we need this. Take that. Yeah, and also the
Okay.
The rods.
Rods also.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the place we are going to fish. Yeah.
Good.
This is the setup. So we have the life jacket and everything is ready. So we'll go for fishing.
Then I will push us out.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
have waterproof shoes.
Yeah. Oh.
Sit in the middle.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
So I will just go over here.
Yeah. Looks very beautiful also, this place,
Yeah.
actually. Okay, it is electric, that's why there is no sound. I was expecting a, big sound like.
Yeah. Nah, this is very good to
Yeah.
the electric motor, especially in this lake.
Yeah. And you're controlling with the remote.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good.
I think we will start just by the
Mm-hmm.
Vas.
Okay. It's really cool, you know. There's no sound and you can easily fix. Is it magnet there or?
Here you mean?
Huh?
No, it's actually just a sprint here.
Okay.
Then we go a little more far out.
Okay. Yeah.
We have catch some smaller pikes here.
Okay.
So we can test here.
Yeah. Sure.
Catch some smaller ones as a starter.
Yeah. Pikes.
So I park with the electric motor as well. So that keeps us in place.
Okay.
That's
quite new for me.
You can pick a lure.
But how do it park in the middle here? I mean, like anchoring, you know?
It knows the GPS coordinate, so it tries to keep that position.
Yeah. So nothing heavy and you know like the typical anchors.
No,
so
exactly.
It is just using GPS.
Yeah, so
you know?
it's very easy to switch position.
Yeah. First casting.
Yeah.
So it should go down a little bit or how it is?
Yeah, this lure is like 20 centimeters below surface or something like that. Because it's not very deep here. Yeah, you see.
It's quite big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pikes like big lures.
Okay. Yeah. So this is a typical fishing boat. So
Yes,
we
exactly.
have everything in place.
Yeah, I have a larger boat as well, but I have that in a bigger lake.
You can see this is a place to keep.
We can try the bigger boat another time.
Yeah.
Then we catch other fish,
Other fish.
like sander.
But we have only pikes here or
Yeah, here it is only pikes.
Pikes.
And like white fish,
white fish.
like bream and
Okay. I used to catch this size fish in Kerala.
Yeah, okay.
And you are putting it as a bait, you know.
Yeah. This lake is so small, so
small.
it's good enough to have only the electric motor.
Yeah, that's true. So now we are riding the boat and waiting for it. I like this thing, you know.
Yeah.
The battery and the electric.
Yes, exactly.
Really good.
Yeah.
But how fast it can go?
It can go quite fast.
Quite fast
We
also.
can Put it so.
Okay.
So this is.
Yeah, that's good.
But it's too fast for fishing.
Yeah.
I don't really know how many knots it is.
Yeah.
We park here.
Yeah. So it is our first strike.
Do you want to take? I think that is quite a good. If you want to bring home and try to eat the pike, this is quite a good size.
Yeah. I think this is the perfect size. Looks like.
Maybe we should bring it to the. Take it to the net.
Yeah.
Do you want to take the rod and I can?
Yeah. I'll catch it. Normally I don't get a fish when I go for fishing.
First cast on this place.
Yeah. Really good.
Okay, nice one to you.
Nice one. Great. Oh, 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 oh. But this is a small size or medium size?
I think it's quite medium sized here.
Medium size, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So our first fish.
Yeah.
Very good. Now I believe you.
Okay, so
Okay.
good.
Should it be there? Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, it can be there.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Now
Great.
it's your
Great. Great. Yeah. My turn.
In a weather like this, you can't complain.
Right.
There has to be pikes here.
Yeah. We need to aim for big fish.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, we got the second fish after a long time. My God. Oh wow. That's a good hook, or
Yeah.
shall I hold it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Super.
Finally.
Finally. I think yeah.
I think this is a little bigger than the first one.
Yeah. But I think it's been more than 2 hours
Yeah.
without
a
fish,
bite.
without a bite. My God.
Oh, now it's released itself.
Huh? Ah,
Now it's
okay.
in the net.
Oh, so this is the place where they
Yeah, exactly. Because here
where
you
they
can
do the
most of them.
meeting, R&D meeting.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I'll hold it. Great. Yeah.
Do you want to take this home?
Yeah, I'll take this also.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have a week for lunch for 2 weeks.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we are returning. Two Pikes. This is a lucky fish.
Probably.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there it is. Small one.
Yeah, this is very small.
We can hook it off in the water.
Yeah.
Shall I do it?
Yes. So we are releasing this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we ended with fishing and we are going back to home with 2 pikes in hand.